So, very good evening once again. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good as well. Thank you for asking. And you're Ayan, right?
Yes.
Ah, so, a quick introduction of mine, right? This is Govind from India.
Hello.
Hi. And I'm teaching mathematics from last 3 years to the students
Yes.
from UK and US. These
Yes.
two
Thank you.
countries, I'm teaching students, and from grade 4th till 12th, right? These are the classes that I take mathematics, right? Okay.
Yes.
So you're from which city, Ayan?
I'm from London.
You're from London. I knew you're from UK, but I knew their city. Okay. All right. So are your parents there? Can I talk to them?
Yeah, I'm here.
Uh,
Hi.
Hi. Hi, mom.
Hello, Mr. Govind.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, this is Govin. Govin, I'm doing good, ma'am. All right. You can be with Ayan with the
Yeah,
when we are taking class, right? You can be around and if you're available, right?
yeah.
So Ayan, and can you tell me, ma'am, like what's your exact requirement? Like what you're looking for Ayan from us? Like
Um,
give me a requirement,
actually,
please.
I'm trying to, get prepared for GCSE. I
Okay.
think it's a good time to get prepared. In
Right,
the
right.
school, they are following curriculum, but bit slow, isn't it? So, like, I want him
Okay.
to start the thing very early.
Okay.
So yeah, that is my requirement actually.
Okay. GCSE, right? We have 2 years. He's in year 10.
no, year
Yeah.
nine.
Now he's in
Year
year
nine.
9.
Year 9.
But
Okay.
yeah,
All right.
he's in the what do you say? How do you call it? Your higher tier, right?
I'm in the higher grade, the higher set.
Okay. Accelerated program it is, I guess.
Yes, the grammar stream
Okay.
set.
Yeah, yeah. Advanced program, accelerated program, we call it. All right, got it. So we'll be focusing on GCSE, right, in the coming
Yes.
year. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. All right, all right. So, ma'am, I'll be talking to you at the end of the class. We'll take some 30 to 40 minutes with Ayan now. Okay,
Yeah, sure. Okay, you carry on. Thank you.
sure. All right, Ayan. So, can you let me know which school do you go to?
I go to Ashton School.
All right. So, how far the school is? How do you go?
Uh, I walk to the school.
Walk to school. It's nearby. All right.
It's about like 3 minutes.
10 minutes.
No, three.
3 minutes. Oh,
Yeah.
within a kilometer, I guess.
Yeah.
Half a kilometer. All right. Not every student is lucky to have a school nearby in the premise, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm one of the lucky ones. My school was just not even a minute's walk. I could hear the bell. It was that
Yeah.
near when I studied. Okay. So let me share the screen. Okay, and we'll start. So, what is the current chapter going on at the school? What are you currently doing at the school?
I'm currently doing um solving equations.
Two variables.
No, the solving equations.
Oh, yeah, linear equations, right?
No, no, not linear equations.
Then,
I don't know, like
yeah, it's linear equations, solving equations, right?
yeah, solving equations.
Okay, okay. So you're able to see on the screen three topics, right?
Yes,
So one is, can you read the three topics?
yes. Tangents to a circle, to
Mm-hmm.
variable,
Right,
linear equations,
right.
pairs.
This one. Okay. So which one would you like to take up?
Can I choose? Yeah, from.
Oh, it has changed. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, okay? I'll share it again. All right. So which one would you like to take up?
I would like to take up the two variable linear equations pairs.
Variable. All right, let's take it. So the same thing that you're doing in the school, right? It will be a help there.
Yes.
Okay, let's take it slowly. So which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Math.
I
Good to hear
like
that.
the main ones. I like mainly I like maths and science.
All right. Okay. It's good to hear that you have chosen math and science as your favorite ones. You're happy enjoying learning them, right? Okay.
Yes.
So can you read what's written on the screen? We'll start with it.
Total weight equals 12 kilograms. Difference in weight equals 3 kilograms.
Yeah, let's repeat the problem done in right. The total video, no, so not the total weight. The video was there. We don't need to watch that. It's a 5 minutes video. It will take a lot of time, right? That's why I'm
Yes.
skipping this. This video is not needed. I'll explain you what's there. Okay. Uh, so the total weight of red and blue block is 12 kg. Okay, and the red block is 3 kg heavier than the blue block.
Yeah.
So you can see in the graphic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. And now can you tell me the equations for that?
R equals 12 kg. I mean R equals. Oh wait, R
Let's say.
equals. Wait, I know. I
So
think I
let's
know the answer.
okay. Okay. Weight of the red block is R. Okay, and weight
Yeah.
of the blue block is B.
Yeah.
Can you make the equation?
Yeah. I
Okay, so I'll erase it.
9. 9 equals R and 3 equals. Because you just need to minus 12 minus 3 kilograms.
So total weight. So what is the equation?
R
R
equals 9.
plus. Yeah, you're giving the answer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting it. You're giving me the answer. But I
Yeah.
want what I want is the equation. How to make it?
R plus B equals 12.
Right. Perfect. R plus B. R plus B equals 12. Right?
Yes.
And second one?
Second one is B plus
Yeah.
R equals 12. Oh no, wait. The red block is 3 kilograms heavier than the blue block.
Right. You have to subtract, right? Somewhere?
The R
Minus.
R minus 3 kilograms equals B.
Can you try it again?
R minus B equals 3 kilograms.
Right. R minus B equals 3. Okay, that's correct.
Yeah.
Let's move to the next one. Okay, this is correct. Now, can we find what R and B are? Simply, we can find them, right? But we do want to actually use some method. Do you know how to solve them?
Yeah.
How do we do it?
We put
How do we do?
I can't see the thing.
Yeah, I've stopped. Can you tell me what are some methods? I'm sharing another screen. That's why.
What numbers are there for the thing?
It was R plus B equals 12,
You
and
can
R
do
minus
12.
B.
You can do
Mhm.
12 minus B equals R. 12 minus R equals B. R plus B equals 12. R minus B. R minus R B plus R equals 12.
Right. R plus B equals 12. R minus B equals 3. So what R and B should be? After
It should
solving, what you
be
get?
R and B should be 9 plus 3.
9 and 3. Good. Right. So do you know what the name is? The method that you used to solve them?
Yes.
What is it?
Equation.
Yeah, these are
Linear
equations.
equation.
Linear equations. Right. I agree. Do you know how to plot the graph for them?
Yeah.
How
No, I
to,
know. Actually,
you do it, right?
I don't know.
You don't know how to plot them? All right, I'll teach you. Shall we start?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
please.
So let's take axis, right? What is it called? Can you tell me?
The y-axis and the x-axis.
Yeah, it's a coordinate plane, right?
Your coordinate graph.
Yeah. And this is x, this is y. And we are taking R on x and B on y, okay?
Yeah.
The weight of red box and blue box. Shall we take it in steps of 1? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. All right. In the first equation, what is the first equation? Can you tell me?
The first equation is m plus b equals 12.
Right. R plus B equals 12.
Yeah.
Let us find, if you take R equals 0, what will be the value of B in the first equation? We are plotting them. What we are doing, we are plotting. Okay?
Yeah.
Find it. When R is 0, if you plug in R equals 0 here,
Plus
what should
b.
be?
R plus 0 equals 3.
No, what you're doing is R plus B is 12. You plug in R as 0. So what is B?
9. I mean 3.
No, B is 12, right? If you plug in R as 0. What I'm doing
Wait,
is,
how would
can you
it be?
see?
How would it be
Okay.
0? How would it be? How
You
would
plugged
B
in R as 0. You plugged in
Yeah.
R as 0.
Oh,
You say,
yeah.
you're getting it right. You're getting it right?
Yeah.
Okay. It was just simple. Now you got it. All right. If you plug in B as 0, what do you get?
B plus 0, you get
You
12.
B is 0. You
Oh,
get
B
R
is
as?
0. And then you get RS 12.
RS 12. Good. So now, if you take R and B, R is on which axis?
The R is in the x-axis and the y and the B is in the y-axis.
Okay. If I take this point 0, 12, what is this point? 0, 12 and 12, 0. Yes?
Yes.
Let me expand this. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. So now I want to plot 0, 12, and 12, 0. Where are they? Can you tell me? On which axis, which place?
They're in the 0 and 12.
Mhm.
They're in
I need
the
to expand, right? Okay. So 0, 12, 0, 12 will be here. Do you
yeah,
agree?
0, 12, yeah, will be on the
When I
origin.
put a yellow dot. No, 0, 12. X on 0, right?
Yeah.
X-axis 0. This is 0, 12. And where will be 12, 0?
Yeah.
This is point A, and this is point B. This is 12, 0. Yeah, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you give me the points for the second equation?
The second equation,
Right. Similarly, what should be
M equals B
MB
equals 3. So that means
or
0.
B?
So R,
Okay.
if it was R equal, if it was R, if R was 0, 0
Mhm.
minus B, it
Yes.
would be B equals 3. So the answer would be 3. And if it
Is it
was
-3 or
B,
+3? Just check again once.
negative 3.
Right. -3.
This has a negative on
Okay.
it.
Okay. So I'll put it there. It will be -3.
So you'll go on the left side, around
Yeah.
the left side.
Yeah. Right. Right. R is 0 and B is -3. So -1, -2, -3. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 0, -3. All right. And if B is 0, what is R?
If B is 0, R would be positive 3.
R will be
Positive 3.
2. Right. So this is 3, 0. Right. So green one is this line, right? And
Yeah.
yellow one is this is not passing. I'm right again. This one. All right.
Yeah.
So this is this intersecting points is the solution, right?
Yeah.
What is it? The solution. What did we get? We get R as 6, right?
Yeah, R is 6. Yeah.
And B R as 6 and B as 3. So
9.
it is somewhere near, but not exact because we have not scaled the graph, right?
Yeah.
We have not scaled, but it is somewhere around 6, somewhere around 3, nearing 4, right? Because we have not scaled it. We have just drawn a rough diagram. Okay? Rough graph. So you get it, right? What R is 6 and B as 3 represents on graph.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, a quick question. I would like to know, if you have a linear equation in 2 variable, right? So R plus B equals 12 is a linear equation in 2 variable. How many solutions will you have for one equation?
For one equation.
Right.
They'll have 4.
How many?
4.
4. Can you tell me how?
Oh no, 6, 6, 6, because R plus okay, for example, R plus B equals 12.
All right.
And then B plus R and then B plus R equals 12. And then wait, no, actually no, it'll be 4. It'll be 4.
Okay.
Because it'll be R plus B equals 12. B plus R equals 12. 12
all right.
minus B equals 12.
Let's take an example. Okay. Let's take an example. Let's take the first equation only. Okay. if I plug in R as 1, what will be B to
B
satisfy this equation? Yeah. If R is 1, B
B
will
would
be
be 10. I mean 11. Sorry,
11, right? If R is 2,
B would be 10. If R is
B
3,
will be 10. R is 3,
B would
B
be
will be
9. If R is
9.
4, B
Okay.
would be 8.
All right. It will continue, right? Let's say
Yes.
if R is -1, what will be B?
B would be -2.
Check once. Plug in R as -1 and then solve it. Okay. You can take a paper and pen.
Wait, if R is -1, then B would be
How much?
13.
Right. 13. If R is -2, B will be
B would be wait, if R is -2, then B would be 14.
14. Right. So what combinations are possible? How many combinations are possible here? I have listed out 5, right?
That's 3. I mean, yeah, 5.
Yeah, I have listed out 5. So you can make how many combinations to satisfy this equation?
How many you want?
Yes. How many we want, we can make them, right? It is
Yeah.
infinite, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now can you
Infinite,
tell me? Now you can tell me how many solutions a linear equation in 2 variable has?
Infinite.
Infinite, right? So
Yes.
just now we mentioned it was 4 or 6, but now we have come to a conclusion that it has
Infinite.
infinite. Right. Very good. So we changed our mind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I just put my mobile on silent. It's making noise. Okay, I'm back. So let's come to the next concept, okay? So this is called a graphical solution for a linear equation. So we have many other options. We have many other ways to solve equation. So did you learn this at the school? The same thing? Because it will come at the start.
I don't. Yeah, I think we learned this last topic.
Oh, you learned.
Or I probably learned
the
this. Or I probably learned this last year.
You learned it this last year.
I think I learned it last year or this year. I don't remember because we did something
alright.
similar,
Yeah.
but it was different.
Yeah, it might be.
Oh no! I think it was last year because last topic we did gradient. Y equals mx plus c.
Gradient. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Y is equal to mx plus c.
Yeah.
Let's take an example. Okay. I'm putting it on the screen. Okay. Are you seeing it on the screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing on the screen.
Okay. So can you read the question?
Okay, so one day my friend and I go to a stationery shop. I buy 2 pencils and 3 erasers and get a bill of $9. My friend buys 5 pencils and 1 erasers and gets a bill of £19.
Okay.
The cost was equals to £9 and the cost of let me read this one. Let's find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 eraser. Let's represent these costs by P and E, both in dollars. Write 2 linear equations that model this situation.
Okay. So you use pound, right? But I have this question in dollars. It's okay. It doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, will you be able to do it on your
own? Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, let's frame equations first. Okay. Shall we?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get started.
So we need to find the cost of 1 pencil.
Write the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen, both. Okay. Cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil.
Wait,
both.
There's no pen.
Oh, I'm sorry. This question does not have pen. It's eraser.
Yeah,
Pencil and eraser. I'm sorry. This
Yeah.
is pencil and eraser. One eraser, right? And cost of eraser is E, and cost of pencil is P.
P.
Yeah, one eraser and one pencil. I'm really sorry. I just got confused. Okay. Let's start. Can you make equation? It's in your, the ball is in your court now. Give me equation.
Yeah.
I'll underline the sentence which will help you to make an equation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the cost of
You can
one
try.
eraser. Okay, so I buy 2 pencils and 3 erasers and I get a bill of $9.
Yeah.
My friend buys 5 pencils and 4 erasers and gets a bill of $19. So we can say that 4 erasers. Oh, we just do.
So, all right, I'll guide you here.
4p.
All right.
Would you?
Yeah.
We do 2p
Mm-hmm.
plus
Yeah, go ahead.
3e equals $9.
Yes. $9. Correct. You're correct here. I appreciate. Next.
Then we do
Next.
$9. Wait. So let's just say 2p plus 3e equals $9. We just add them together
Yeah.
and just say make it into
Yes.
5pe
Yes. 5p plus
5
how many?
5p
Plus how many erasers?
plus 4e
4p gives the bill of how much? How many dollars?
$19.
$19. You got two equations, right?
Yeah, so we could say that if we minus 5p minus 4e, I
Mm-hmm.
mean if we do 5p minus 2p and 4e minus 3e, it will give us an answer of 3p plus
Okay.
plus
E.
e, so which
Okay.
equals $10.
Okay. You're doing it correct, but what you will get? 3p plus E equals $10. What you get
Yes,
from here? What do we get from here?
we get that. Then we do 3p minus 10.
Okay, I'll guide you here. I'll guide you after it. I'll guide you further. Okay, how we go ahead. All right. So up till here, you're totally fine. Now, what we do? If we plot these equation on graph, what do you get? If you plot 2p and plus 3e equals 9, what you get? If you plot this on the coordinate axis,
We get
a straight line.
9. Yeah, we get straight line.
Do we get it for the both equations?
Yes.
Yes, you get it for both equations. And what you will get? You will get P and E when they intersect, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And what the intersecting point will give you?
The intercepting point will give you
What they will give you?
the amount of $1.
Yeah, the amount of the cost of
Cost of the cost of the erasers and pens.
right. The cost of one pencil and eraser, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to find that intersecting point, we use some strategies, right?
Yeah.
And one of them is graphical method, but we learned it. Shall we learn another method?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one shall I teach you? There are many. there are, okay. Let's do substitution. Okay, I'll teach you this today. Substitution. This one is substitution method. Okay, because you cannot draw graph every question, isn't it? Particular question
Yeah.
says to draw a graph. It's okay. In a substitution method, what do we do is it how many? This 2p, right? Okay. First equation we are taking. What is the first equation?
2p plus 3e equals $9.
Right. Right. And second is 5p plus 4e equals 19. If you want to find p in terms, let's say you get 2p and 9. You want to get 3e to the right side. What do? Subtract both the sides, isn't it?
Yeah.
Basically, it is this plus 3e minus 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
So these two gets cancelled, and 2p will give you 9 minus 3. Okay. And single p will be how much? 1p will be, you
1p equals 9.
divide by 2 both sides. Okay.
Yeah.
This. So you get p as 9 over 2 minus 3 over 2e. Right?
Yeah.
Now, what do? Put this in. Yeah.
This is squared.
Equation. Yeah. Equation 2.
Equation 2.
This. So what you will get?
Equation 2. You
Yeah,
put on equation 2 and then you get
right. So 5 times, what is p? 9 over 2 minus 3 over 2e plus 4e equals 19. Now, can you solve this?
4e equals 19. Okay, so
Not 4e. This 5 times 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2e, bracket closed, plus
9.
4e.
So it'll be 9. It'll be 7. No, 7. 6 over 2.
You have to open it. You have to open it, right?
Oh yeah, you just do 5 times 9.
Yes. 5 times 9 is how much?
45.
45
And then 5
divided
times
by.
3 is 16.
We have to take 2 also. Minus.
Oh, minus 15 over 2.
Right. E as well.
Yeah, 15 over 2e.
Plus 4e equals 19. Now you can solve this without assistance.
Okay, 45 minus 15e equals 30 over 20, which is equals to 15e. And then 15e plus 4e equals 19. Wait, so 15e plus 4e equals 19. So that means...
Wait. You're adding it, right?
Yeah.
Are the denominators same?
Yeah.
So what you have to do, you have to collect variables on one side and constant on other side first, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you do for doing this while solving this?
But I don't really understand this.
All right. You need to find E. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, 45 by 2 is a constant.
A constant, yeah.
So you need to get rid of this here in this left side. What do?
Yeah.
We subtract 45 by 2 both the sides. Okay. This is 90. Okay. So we subtract 45 by 2 both sides. Will it make any difference?
Yeah. No.
It doesn't make any difference, right?
Usually it makes it into a plus.
Right.
If you put it in the other side.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can say that. You send it to the other side. It gets subtracted. That's also correct. I subtracted both sides. It's the same. Okay. If you do that way, it is also correct. No problem. So you get it? Why minus 45 by 2 gets cancelled with positive 45 by 2?
Yeah. No, wait. Why? Wait. What was the question again?
I'm saying, I subtracted 45 by 2 both sides. Yes?
Yeah.
So you get it right?
45 divided by 2.
Right. I subtracted both the sides, left-hand side, right-hand side.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move ahead. So what's left with us? Minus 15 by 2e plus 4e equals 19 minus 45 by 2. Now, can you take LCM and solve this? I have given you a hint.
What?
Take LCM and solve.
I don't know how to do it with this one.
I'll guide you. Okay, so these are rational numbers, right?
Yeah.
And not whole numbers. If it was a whole number, we could have just added them just like numbers. Okay, so we multiply denominator and numerator both by 2 here. Okay,
Yeah.
and 19 also we multiplied by 2 and 2. And why do we do it? Because LCM of 2 and 1 is 2.
Yeah.
You know this, right? LCM of 2 and 1 is
2.
2. Okay, so what will it make? Minus 15e plus 4 times 2 is 8e. Yeah?
Yeah.
Over 2 equals 19 times 2 is
19 times 2 is 38.
okay. So you get this? Why I'm doing it?
Yeah, oh, yeah. So you can just find the
I can
yeah.
right. I can cancel 2 both the sides.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go ahead. So what does it become? Minus 15e and plus 80. How many e's will be left?
There will be only minus
Okay.
minus 7.
Minus 7e.
E.
Correct. And on the right side?
There'll be minus 7e. Yeah, minus 7e.
No, not e. Minus 7 only on the right side.
Oh,
Okay.
minus 7.
Right. And e will be how much?
E will be minus 1.
Mm,
Oh, no, E
really?
will be 1.
1. Right. Okay. And can you find? Okay, e is 1. And earlier we got p as how much?
P
9 over. Yeah, here. I
equals
have
9,
insert.
9 over 2 minus 3 2 E.
So can you
Wait,
put?
is that a quicker method?
Yeah, that's a method.
No, is there like a quicker method for this one?
This is quicker method. This is the quickest. Like not the quickest. This is the quicker, one of the quick methods. If you draw graphs, won't it take time?
Yeah, it will take time.
It will take time, right? This seems a lengthy one because we are doing it for the first time, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you do the next question on your own, you will feel better. It's taking the first pill for the fever. We have taken the first pill. Right, okay. So put E as 1, you get P, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you find P now?
P.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. So we just do. Oh, we can.
There is
Just do
easier
P's.
method than this. There is one more method, elimination, which is easier. I'll teach you in the coming time, okay? There is one easier one as well.
So if 1 is E, then can't we just do 4? Wait, 4. Wait. 19 minus 4 equals 17.
Okay, where are you putting E as 1? Can you tell me? In which equation are you putting E as 1?
For the 4 minus this one. The 5p plus 4e equals 19.
No need. Okay, you can do that. You can do that as well. Okay, you put that. No issue. 5p plus. In which one? 5p plus
4e equals
4e
19. So we know
equals
that
19.
e equals 1.
Okay.
We do 4. So we just do 19 minus 4, which is
Okay. 19 minus 4. So you get P as this is
you get
15,
p as
right?
3. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this was also good. P as 3. Okay.
Yeah.
So now can you tell me what is the cost of one eraser and one pencil?
1 eraser equals £1, $1, and 1 pencil equals $3.
Right. Okay. So this was the method. Okay. There is one simple method as well. That is elimination. What do we call it? Elimination. Okay. Yeah, we'll learn it in the coming class. Okay. But we'll do one question based on this. Okay. Let me take another question so that it's a good practice for it. Okay. For the method that we learned, that was substitution. What did we learn now?
Substitution.
Substitution. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Do you love cars? Are you interested in cars?
No, not really.
Not really. All right. No issue. We'll take a question
I like
involving
football more.
cars.
Of cars.
Okay, you're into football, right? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see a question? Can you read it?
Yeah, I can see the question.
You can see the question.
Yeah.
Ayan,
Yeah.
you're doing it, I guess.
No. Oh, the question's now here. Yeah. Because for a minute it was gone, then it
It
came
has
back.
come.
Yeah, it came back now.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
on. Can you see
I
the
had
wait?
the taxi
Can
one
you read
has
the
a
question?
bare. Yeah, taxi one has a base fare of $10 and a per mile fare of $7 per mile. Taxi 2 has a base fare of $20 and a per mile fare of $15 per mile. Let us use F and D to represent the total fare and distance traveled. Write the FED equation for
mhm. FD equation. FD equation is F is for fare and D is for distance.
yeah.
So shall we make
Yeah, let's make
FD equation? That is fare and distance equation for taxi 1. Let's start with taxi 1. Okay. What's happened? Okay. Taxi 1. What is the base fare?
the base fare is $10 and $20.
Yeah, $10. And for taxi 2, it is $20. Plus, what is the per mile fare? Per mile means, let's say distance is D. Okay.
Yeah. So it'll be $7 per mile.
$7. Okay. And this will give you fare. Isn't it? Fare is F.
Yeah.
So can this be the FD equation, the distance fare equation?
Distance fare equation. Okay, so
Yeah, that I've written.
10 minus £5.
10 minus 5. How will minus come? Can you tell me?
Because it's saying the F minus D.
Oh, that's not
equation.
f minus d. Sorry, sir. That's not f minus d. That's dash. FD equation. Sorry. That's not f minus d. That's FD equation. That's a
Oh,
hyphen.
then oh, sorry. Oh, then it's $10 plus £5 per mile.
Oh, £5 is for taxi 2. For taxi 1, what is
All
the
right.
base fare?
Oh,
7.
7 per mile. £10
Right.
plus 7.
Right. 10. Oh, I'm sorry. Again, this is in dollars. Let's take it pound. Okay. Not an issue. Let's take it pound. Okay. I'm unrealistically confusing you here. All right. I'm sorry. Let's take it pound, not dollars. So 10 pounds plus 7 pounds multiplied with D, isn't it?
Yeah, D.
You get the fare. For taxi 2, can you tell me now?
For taxi 2, you get
Mhm.
$20 plus
Mhm.
£5 per mile.
Yeah, 5. What should I multiply it with?
20. No, £5 with D.
Right, D. This will give you
This will give me the total fare and the distance traveled.
good. Yes, this will give you total fare for the distance traveled. I agree. Now, can you solve this?
So 10
Mhm.
plus 7 per mile.
Oh, yeah, you're correct. You got both the equations as correct. Now, what I'm saying is, can you find the D and F?
Wait, what? Yeah, okay, the D is
So after
7.
solving, no, after
What?
solving, let's solve these equations.
Oh,
Solve them.
we're doing 10 minus 20, 20 minus 10, and 7 minus 5.
Okay, but see, you're subtracting equations. Okay. What you will get?
The total, okay. Yeah, I thought it was something different. Okay,
It's
so
okay.
then it'll be $30 plus 15, no, 50, yeah, no, $12 per mile.
Uh, I'm sorry to interrupt you. You did one thing, right? You subtracted the both equations, right?
No, I added it now.
No, no. Like,
Uh,
for example, let me write one over the other. 10 plus 7D equals F, and 20 plus 5D equals F, right? You
Yeah.
subtract both of them like this. Agree?
Yeah.
So what do you get? Can you tell me?
You get $3 for
Uh,
the F.
okay, so 10
15.
minus 20. How much do you get?
Oh,
10 minus 20, how much do you get?
20 minus 10.
No, 10 minus 20. We are doing it opposite. 10 minus 20 is negative 10
Then negative 10, and then
plus 7
7
minus
minus
5,
5 equals 2.
2D equals how much? F minus F is
F minus F equals 0.
0. So what the value for D is? 2D will be
2D will be 10 minus 10.
2D is positive 10 because 10 we are sending it to the right.
Or positive 10.
Right. Opposite to negative 10 because it is negative left side. So what you will get? D as?
D as 20.
Oh no.
Wait, no,
Check
D
it
as
once.
10. D as 10.
No.
D as 2.
How?
Because 7 minus 5
It's
equals
2D.
2D.
So
So
2D. And 10 minus 20 is negative 10. So you
yes,
divide by 2 both sides. So D is?
you divide 2 by both sides. Wait, so you do 2D then it's 5.
Yeah, right. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was
You
stuck in
get
that
rid.
question.
It's okay. You get rid of the coefficients in D. Okay.
Yeah.
When the coefficient is in multiplication, what do? You divide.
You divide, yeah.
right? So D is 5. So plug in D as 5 in any one of the equation and you get F.
Yeah.
Do
So
that.
D is
Enter.
5.
Okay.
So D 10. Oh wait, no.
You can do it.
So that means we do. So we do 30.
Okay. How do you do?
Because I did 10 plus 20.
10 plus 7 times 5, right?
10 plus 7 times 5, yeah.
So 10 plus 7 times 5 is?
10 plus, okay, so that would be 45.
Yeah. This is 35 plus 10 is 45. So what is F?
F
45.
equals 45.
Okay.
But why can't we do it for the 20 and 5?
Oh, you can do that as well. You'll get the same.
Wait, oh yeah, you get the same, yeah.
Wait. Give me a second. 20 plus 5D. Will you get the same?
Yeah.
Yes. 20 plus 5 times 5 is 25. So 20 plus 25 is 45.
5.
Okay.
45.
So what does it mean? D is 5 and F is 45. What does it mean in the real world for car and the distance, the fare and the distance?
That means like, so the fare is the
The fare is?
the base ones, like when you get in, you just pay £10 straight away, and then
Right.
after
So
that, when you start, then per mile, they add up $7.
okay. So D as 5 and F as 45, the intersecting points in the two lines, isn't it? The
Yeah.
distance fare equation will give you a basic thing, is basic understanding that either taxi you take, taxi 1 or taxi 2, for 5 miles, you get the same fare.
Yeah.
This is the thing we can understand. Did you get it?
Yeah.
This is not in the question, but I'm saying this. Either taxi you take, you get the same fare for 5 miles. Okay? For 6
Yeah.
miles, 7 miles, or 4 miles, 3 miles, 2 miles, you will get different fares for different taxi that you choose, 1 or 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Few pounds and dollars here and there. All right. So this was learning about linear equations. Okay, solving equations. So you might have solved equations with one variable, but today how many variables did we have?
We had
2.
2.
2, right? So in your grade, we introduced this, isn't it? We have to do this. We learn this, and you will have geometry. You don't have trigonometry, I guess, isn't it? Trigonometry will be in the coming year, or you have trigonometry.
I probably have it next topic.
Okay. All right. So can you give me a quick feedback? Ayan, did you like the session? How was it?
Yeah, I like the session. It's nice. A good teacher.
Nice. Okay, all right. So you understood what I taught, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm happy. You got what? Yeah, and one thing I would like to tell you, we learned the second method. Did you see this? We learned the second method of elimination by subtracting the equation. When you subtracted, one variable just vanished. Did you see? Isn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't name this method, but after subtracting, what happened? One variable just it was not in the equation. It just got away. We got rid of one variable, isn't it?
Yeah, the taxi 2.
So this is called This is called elimination because we got eliminated of one variable. All right. So I didn't wanted to teach this year, but all right. This was a good question where we landed up, and it was the easiest method to do. And by trial and error, we use this. All right. So this way we call it elimination. And if by subtracting we are not getting eliminated, then we have some other one more step which will come in the further question, and I'll explain you. Okay. All right. So can you call your mom or dad? Anybody's there? And then
Okay.
we'll wind up the session after a few minutes.
Hello.
So, mom. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, let's start the screen share. All right. So you listen to this session, right, ma'am? You were there
I
around?
was there halfway, and after that I went.
Okay.
So
All right.
how was it actually?
Yeah, I'll give you about my observation, what I observed. So Ayan is like active in learning. He's not taking tension in learning because few kids get tensed when a few question pops up, like which is a new one. So he's active learner, I can see. Okay, and whenever a challenge is coming, because this is a topic which he hasn't learned, I guess, in the school. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
a new ball in the court, so he was able to handle it appropriately, and I explained the first question, how we solve. I explained the method, and he was able to apply it in the further questions. And yeah, he has
Okay.
basic understanding because one variable, how to solve one variable, he has basic understanding of the previous grades. But yeah, although we need to brush it up because it has been quite a while, because he
Okay.
has learned it in 7th and 8th grade, I guess, solving one
Okay.
variable. Okay, so this is my feedback. So about learning, and whenever in the coming classes he has good time to prepare for GCSE, right? He has got good time, and we'll be taking care of that. All right. So
Okay.
this is about academic feedback, and if you have any questions, you can let me know.
So if we go on with this class, you're going to be the
Yeah, I'm going to
Okay.
be the teacher.
the tutor. Okay. Okay then. Thank you so much then
Right.
for your feedback.
Right.
Yeah, I'll call your team.
And few things I'd like to mention, that we have to take GCSE his school syllabus, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
UK
So for this,
curriculum.
yes, for this you can send me the curriculum, right? So that I know the topics, because I have taken USA, Canada, and UK. These three regions I take classes, right? So a bit topics here and there might be there, because I took the questions in dollars and pounds was coming. So I felt bad for that. I didn't knew it was pounds and dollars. I just got confused. Okay, so I
Yeah.
make sure that I take GCSE question, because for every board question pattern is different, right?
Yeah, you're correct. Yeah, the board,
That is different.
so I think they are going to do AQA.
All right. So question pattern is different. Somewhere the questions are lengthy, right? Somewhere questions are more tricky. So in different boards, it varies. Somewhere the questions might be solved. They will give you a question equation, which might be a lengthy equation, but easy to solve. Right. So I have got this difference in different boards. So he might have got access to a textbook for GCSE, right?
Actually, here that's the thing. Here they don't recommend anything, but I have bought something called STP, but
Mhm.
so and they are following CGP books as well, but
Okay.
they don't recommend anything because normally the school is providing. So
Mhm.
it's not a book actually. Like they will give it in kind of a booklet. They print and
Okay.
give. This time did they give
Wait, what books?
the booklet? What they give normally? Did they give it this time?
For what?
Maths.
Okay, it might be like a few schools give it, because my other students for GCSE have got textbooks, not physical copy, but username and password.
Yeah. Normally
Ebook.
you're doing
Oh yeah, we got that in the.
yeah, they have it. What's that you're
Right. Right.
following?
No,
Not earlier they were doing
Desmos.
Dr. Frost. Now
Desmos.
Okay.
Desmos.
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 Yeah.
DESMOS.
Yeah. DESMOS.
Yeah, Desmos is a software, right? So you do plotting there.
No, it's
Okay.
a website where you can do all the tests, like you practice for the thing.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a site.
It's a site where you practice.
Site.
I get it. Yeah, the simulations we do it over Desmos at GeoGebra, right? So you're doing it over Desmos. I get it. It's like plotting angle, straight lines, and then solving them. You get it. All right, but when you write the questions, Desmos is like for visualizing, it's good, but to solve the equation, we have to do with the pen and paper, right? So we cannot
Yeah.
do it using software. Software is just like
Yeah.
for visualization, what exactly intersecting points are, what they represent, and what like real life implication for that intersecting point is. Okay, so we can get a Desmos is for learning. Then we have to come to pen and paper at the end. So yeah, so I would like to get the credentials for the book. Okay, the
Okay.
textbook that he's following, so that it's
Okay.
easier for me to follow. Right?
Okay, sure.
And,
Yeah.
yeah. And we have the Turito curriculum as well, which we'll be taking it care. Turito, we
Okay.
have the standard curriculum for for the particular grade he is in. For all the grades, we have curriculum, and although we are focusing more on GCSE, the topics which are there with us, I'll take from my curriculum and his curriculum both combined, right? Just like I switch with different methods. First, I had a video as well, but I didn't need to teach
Yeah.
through the video. So again, I switched to OneNote, so that way we can like make it hyper personalized. Okay,
Okay.
it will be a
Yeah.
personalized for him. Okay,
Thank
and can you give me your like convenient times, because I have taken other 12 active students to accommodate him as well, so I
Okay.
need to fix
I
that.
think today's time is okay, no, Ian? If you are taking
Give me a second.
Thursdays, huh?
Yes.
Yes. No? And what are the availability you have the days? Because
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Monday.
Because I have my scattered availabilities. If I tell you, then it will be a confusion for both of us. You give me your preferred timing, because you will be giving 3 slots, right? So it will be easier for us.
Okay, today's one is
Right.
fine.
Okay, this one. Yeah, this I'm available on this time. This time today.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is 5, right?
Yeah, for us it's 5 o'clock.
5. Okay.
So huh?
Is it okay if we do 5? This is all right. All right. You can give me your time. Because
and how about Monday? You have any classes? 5 o'clock?
Monday I have football training.
No, you have.
No, I'm joining the team.
Okay, Tuesday.
Tuesday I have Tuesday I think I'm free.
Okay, Tuesday is fine.
okay.
And
That's it.
yeah, for the time being, we have 2 days.
Okay. 2 days will be fine with them. No need for like 3 or 4. Not needed. We'll be good with 2 days, 2 classes. For some, I recommend 3, but for him, 2 will be like enough. If we require for an extra class, I can schedule those. Right.
Okay.
For
Yeah,
example,
we
some
can.
exams are coming, some tests are coming, then we can increase frequencies for a few weeks and then come back to a
Okay.
normal pace. Right.
Yeah, sure.
So these 2 I'm available, not an issue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're in London, because some other Wales and Scotland.
No, actually, we are not in London. We are from Rugby, which is closer to Coventry.
Okay.
So, do you have any students coming from anywhere?
No.
Out of
From
London?
London, I have the students.
Okay. So, like, are they doing GCSE as well, or
Yes.
different?
Yes. 2 students have done GCSE this year. They're doing it, and last year I taught 1 student for GCSE.
So, how did they do? Did they ask you to follow your curriculum, or did they
No,
do the?
theirs. I followed theirs.
Okay. So, what board they did? What
Pardon?
exam board did? What exam board did they do?
Pardon?
Which exam board they followed? AQA or Edexcel or what else again? Do you know their exam board?
No, they didn't mention it. They gave me textbook. I followed theirs. I didn't
Okay,
ask about that. They fared really well. And
Do
yeah,
you know what
although
kind of
because
textbook they say? Because like it'll be easy for me if it is the same board.
I'll share that textbook with you then. I'll share their textbook with you.
Yeah,
If
what
it
is
is
the
the
name?
same board.
Yeah,
Pardon?
what is the name? What is the name of
Let
the
me-
textbook?
Let me open it.
Yeah.
So what board is his?
He's AQA.
AQA.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't really ask them any time what the board is.
Okay.
Let me open. I followed Pearson for one of them, and the other one I don't remember. Let me open this.
Yeah.
I followed like a few questions from NCERT as well, from India. Although they are from starting, it's okay, but not for the board questions, because for the board question it's really different. than Indian setting.
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah,
It's very different.
the structure is
And
different.
right. Question structures are really different. Give me a minute, ma'am. Oh.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it is Pearson, Edexcel. Yeah,
Okay, other board. Okay, so you're gonna
Brian Arnold. This is Brian Arnold.
Okay, so he is AQA. So those are the three boards actually. One is
Okay.
Pearson, one is Edexcel, and he is AQA. So you're gonna have all three boards now.
All right. So I think board doesn't matter. I think the question will be almost the same for UK.
Okay.
If we compare the boards with US or India, it will be different. But within the UK, it might not have that much variability.
So did you follow the same structure to teach them for both of them?
Yeah, I'll be following the standard. There is if I'm following a method, although I might be making some modification, my teaching will just be modifying according to the question. I should keep in mind that question is according to their board. Teaching will be the same for everybody, I guess.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Right.
The maths is maths, right? So apart from the board, the maths is maths, isn't it?
Yeah, math is math. Logic is logic. We're teaching logic.
Yeah,
so logic will be the same, methods will be the same. Yeah, sometimes it might be different. For example, if I'm solving equation, what I was doing is subtracting both the sides. And he was taking it to the right side. That's both ways it works. For example, it's x minus 3 equals 5. I was adding 3 to the sides. Okay. So one other way was I can take negative 3 to the right side also. So these simple things, whenever I take few classes with him, like next 2 to 3 classes, we get comfortable. What methods he know, right? So this will get over in few classes.
Yeah, perfect.
This was Pearson Edexcel. I really didn't bother about asking which board he was.
Yeah, I think then that is the board then. Pearson Edexcel means that is their board. Yeah.
This book is endorsed for Edexcel, and author is Brian Arnold, Phil Bradford. These ones.
Okay. Then I have to find the AQA one for you then.
Yeah. Please. If you have PDF, then you can share with me. Otherwise, if you don't find, I'll manage it. It's no problem. I'll ask my colleagues and then seniors or juniors if they have. I'll post it in my group. I'll get it. No problem.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll get it done. All right. All right, ma'am. So Mr. Gaurav will be connecting to you. I guess he called before as well, right?
Really? Did he call? I don't know because he didn't call me.
Oh, maybe he might have texted, not called.
Okay.
I think
one of the people from your company, they called me.
Right.
One of the ladies actually.
Okay. You might not have share the name. It's Gaurav. He will be connecting to you for enrollment purposes, right? And regarding fee structure and anything, you can talk to him. All right, ma'am.
Okay.
Initially, you can enroll for a few months, right? And then we'll figure it out. If it's working, then we'll continue, right? Although it's not be a problem. For most often, it's not, right? All right. Good day, ma'am.
Okay.
So, can you give me an approximate date when will you starting? Approximate date so that I can have an idea.
If everything is okay, like beginning of October.
All right. Few days, right? 26 it is.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, ma'am. You can communicate this to Gaurav. All right. Good day. Bye. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.